Hey guys, welcome to Street Fighting. Let's go. So guys, today we got Auxito LED reverse lights, and best of all, we got some license plate bolts. Sponsored by Auxito. Let's go. Alright, so for the first install, we're going to do the license plate bulbs on this 2019 Malibu. Right here are the two halogen bulbs. The easy way to get this out is one of these. You're going to come here, as you can see, look. They already knew you were going to do this eventually because they sheeped out on the halogen bulbs. They knew you were going to replace it. So, what you do, put this thing here, you push it in, you pull it out. Same thing on the other side. Push it in, pull it out. And then twist, you pull out. Boom. Twist, pull out. OEM, Auxito. Get the quad. Let's see how many more LEDs you're gonna get right here. You're living in the past right here. The future. Insert it there. As you can see, guys, what an OEM halogen bulb looks like, what Auxito reverse license plate bulbs look like. You see all this? Crystal clear, murky yellow. Look at the difference. Look, this is an actual white. Look, white, yellow. Perfect. Right here, look. Pull. And insert. Boom. Alright guys, now you're gonna get this plastic piece back on, right? You're gonna go here, insert, find the sweet spot, and twist. Once you hear that snap, it's perfect. This one came in this way, as I remembered. Boom. Simple as that. Look, not coming off. Once you hear a perfect click, it's perfectly inserted. Perfect click. This part is always facing the end. And we're all done. Alright guys, so we just installed the license plate bulb by Auxito on this 2019 Malibu. Now we're gonna do the reverse light for a 2018 Honda Accord. We'll be right back. For install number 2, we're gonna do the reverse light by Auxito. Thank you, Auxito. On the 2018 Honda Accord. First thing first, super simple. You pop the trunk open, and as you can see, this liner is on the way. All you gotta do is 1, 2, 3, pull the bolts right there. It's gonna be this one right here. This. Yeah. Okay. You pull out. OEM halogen bulb. Not good. Pretty cheap. So these go out like 5 cents. Now here's Auxito's W16 yellow, pure white. As you can see, it has 3 LEDs up here, 6 here, 6 on the other side. Okay. We'll leave that there here. Let's go over here. Pop open, pull out. halogen, Auxito. Now that both sides are connected properly, we're going to turn them on, make sure they're both properly working before we put everything back together. Oh. Okay, perfect. Side number 2. As you can see, all 6 from each side and the 3 in the top are all turned on. Perfect. Quality control at its finest. Now we're going to properly install them back in. Slowly but surely slide it back in the hole. Find the little clip. Once you hear that, you did it right. Remember, so is what you gotta get. If you don't hear that, it's not correct. Okay, this side over here too. You hear that? Perfect. Now that you're done, no liner removed, let's check it out. Alright guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Auxito for sending us these products to review. Not only do they help the channel today, but they also want us to help you guys get the best deal on these products. If you go down below, there's a link from Auxito official website. If you use 3 Spartans as the code, you'll get a discount on all these products. Stay tuned for more.